Welcome back to the Daily Vibecode. It's been not daily, but still um, pretty consistent. And today we are making a musician clone. No copyright violation intended. It's not really a clone, but I have picked up my guitar recently, and I didn't even try to open up that app because I'm sure it's very limited on what it will let me learn. Um, and I just wanted something that would be fun and interactive to help me learn the chords. So I've got a prompt here. I would like to make a guitar practice app that is also a web application with user login. It uses the microphone to listen to the student's input and get confirmation on what is supposed to be played. It teaches the standard guitar chords as an intro curriculum, but also has a built-in chatbot that can create a custom chord progression for the student from the chords the student has learned based on the student's prompt. It should have an interface where the chords move by and the student has to play them on cue. It needs to use JavaScript tools to run in the browser for fast feedback. So pick the JavaScript framework with the best tools to support all of this. Um, Chatbot should use OpenAI. So we're just going to let that go. Um, I'm not even sure if this is going to be possible. It's a big ask. There's a lot of interactive elements here that I've never built before. Um, I have a vague idea of how the interaction between the chatbot and the the course builder should use, but that's also could use, pardon me, a little more specification. Um, so I'm not really sure. We're gonna see. It's designing its implementation approach right now, and um, we can actually watch that as it's thinking. It's just there we go. Next.js 14 with app router. That's good because I've never used Next.js for anything serious before. Um, the database will be SQLite. That's nice. I like SQLite. Makes it easy to deploy. Chord detection. The polyphonic chord recognition using Web Audio API. Okay, cool. Wait, I wanted to keep reading that. Oh, oh, we're here. What database do I prefer? SQLite, yes. Guitar Hero style, chords scroll from right to left with a hit zone, BPM driven, shows timing accuracy, or flashcard style, or both. Flashcard mode for learning new chords, Guitar Hero mode for practice sessions. Yeah, both. All right, that's it. I kind of wish I could go back to, oh, there we go. Standard open chords, E, A, D, G, C major, and minor variants, plus F major as an optional bar chord, and the interface will okay. For chord detection, I'm using Meyda.js to extract chroma features from the audio input, match them against chord templates using cosine similarity with frame averaging to filter out noise. The guitar here, that's pretty cool. The Guitar Hero mode animates scrolling chord blocks timed to a BPM, detecting when the player hits okay. Still thinking. Oh, whoa. Now we got writing the plan. Fascinating. So the whole thing is just going to be in Next.js server and front end. That's gonna make it, well, I don't look at the code that much these days. And I'm sure I can read the JavaScript. That'll be fine. Setting it up might be special. App runs at localhost. Login redirects to dashboard. Chord curriculum shows E minor first. All right, it's got its plan. I wonder if it's gonna have a guitar tuner. Um, you're going to need a guitar tuner um, tool in the app. Good call. A tuner is essential before any practice. Let me update the plan to include it. Great, we can read through the plan still. So, Tailwind and Shad CN UI. Great. Prisma and SQLite for database. I will be honest. I don't know what Prisma is off the top of my head. Next auth for credentials. Meyda.js also. We could take a look at that. Well, let's first look at what Prisma and SQLite are. Oh, it's a schema. Okay, that's fine. That makes sense. Um, and Meyda.js. It's audio feature extraction library. Meyda.js license. Hello. Oh, cool. This is a test. It's very fast. So I'm happy about that. User showcase. I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna find like a whole guitar. You can contribute too. Audio trainer. Computer generated melody project. Let's go take a look at what this is doing. I'll just assume it's put in the guitar tuner. There it is. Great. I love these sorts of things. So I'm kind of really excited. Spectrum FFT on steroids. Fluid corpus manipulation. That sounds kind of cool. A histogram of pitch classes. All right, right off the bat. You know what I liked about their front page here is it like automatically started working and showing you stuff. And I love web apps that do that because you're not like, oh, which of these buttons do I click? Which is the biggest problem with the web apps that I build still. You go to them and you're like, which button do I click? I feel like every web app I build should come with a button that says, click me to this. Or just like, I want to use your location. Or log in prompt. Log in with Google prompt. Showcase built by the Meyda core team. You can contribute too. Let's look at. Oh, I see. A system that allows web users to generate their unique logo. Accept microphone requested. Click to play. Oh, cool. Nice. This is makes me want to sing. Yeah, go ahead, check the Node versions. You know what's going to be fun about this is not having another giant um like uh Python um like virtual environment that I have to run everything through. This is electric voice. Birds fly high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. Hey, that's fun. And I'm feeling go ba-dun, da-dun. But what about the logo part? I don't really get. Dragonfly up in the sun. You know how I feel, don't you know? Sleep in peace when day is done. You know how I feel. Oh, I can move it around, wiggle. This is fun. Should build more tools with this. Like I don't know. But again, I don't understand the whole unique logo part. Let's see. The microphone detects the audio, distracts the metric features to get WebGL stuff. You know what? I'm so used to AI coding where it's like, where's the full product? That well, I mean, but this is 2 months ago. Well, I mean, still, like, it's just a real time. I mean, it's a demo that the team built. That's cool. That's cool. Maybe this was the logo generator. And oh yeah, I see. I see. This is my fault. All right, this is the logo generator. Let's check on how things. Oh, do I want to? Yeah, let's just go ahead. It has not even been working. Oh wow. Well, that's just wild. Cool. Menu. I guess it's become a lot more than a logo generator since then. Devon AI is one of theirs. That's cool. All right. I'm going to take a pause now that we're done playing with the showcases, and I'll get back to you when there's something else to look at with the code. Okay. After a while and needing to create a bunch of fixes, we are back, and um, it looks like we got this nice and purple. Um, guitar practice, get started free, sign in. So let's get started free. Here's our registration page. Um, no, that's not my name. That's my email. My name is Alex, and my password. Creating my account. Okay, cool. What's this do? I've never used Next.js like this. It looks fun. Maybe I will start. This is what the vibe coding is all about. And now here we are. We have a dashboard, learn, compiling and rendering. It's got the chords and it's got practice. Hope this runs faster in production, but it looks like right now that I'm running it in the development mode, it's got um, or use my learned chords. Learn at least 2 chords first. Cool. It has a tuner. Is it a tuner, bro? All right. Good thing I have my guitar right next to me. I did tune it last night, so it should be pretty much in tune. And let's see. First, we gotta allow the mic. Allow. Okay. My E2 is pretty much in tune. A2 is a little bit flat. Does not like my D. That's better. This is fun. Fixed my A. Oh, G is bad. That's better. I guess my ear is a little flat, huh? I just uptuned. Okay. Okay, fun, fun, fun. Now let's go learn. Let's learn E minor. Okay, I gotta allow the mic on. All right, there we go. 3 and 2. My first chord. Strum the indicated strings. That these two? It's kind of hard. Didn't detect the chord though. But maybe that's because I'm bad at it. Next chord. A minor. Oh, I guess the O must be the ones you don't play, right? I'm gonna go back to the curriculum. It doesn't make a lot of sense to me though. Why would I hold that down? If I'm not playing it. Let's try the practice. One issue. Two issues. So some stuff is working, some stuff is not, and I can't really tell if it's because I'm bad at it or because it's not working. The microphone is active, but it's not detecting the chord. One issue. Okay, so here we have an actual issue. All right, let's pause and address it. Actually, you know what? We're just going to call that today's episode so these can be a little shorter and a little more fun. And maybe I'll work on it some more offline, maybe not. Um, but either way, this is how far we got with one prompt, and it's pretty cool. So I think the lesson for today is try to push what you might be able to create. There's some amazing JavaScript frameworks out there, and sticking with what you know can really hold you back from making something that you might be really excited about. So thanks for joining us, and hopefully next time we'll do something else that is cool.